Because like basically right now, all the top companies are some of the most fastest growing ones, which are like Tradeify, Top One Futures, um, Apex. Those ones are like it is crazy that people still go to those before even maxing out. Because I get that some of them have like 20 accounts, and that's why you would want to use them. But if you're just talking about the first three accounts that you have and initially making money, you would want the fastest way to get a payout
Yeah.
or like in the most reliable, where it's like, okay, I don't need to be hitting consistency rule. I can do a payout whenever. If I do really well, I have no cap on my payout. And that is just like super valuable for a prop trader, just because like, especially in this space, getting a buffer so you can invest more is mostly like that is one of the most important parts of when you first start doing this.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I think that just nailing that down.
Yeah, no, 100%, right? It's like the best EV that you have is getting any sort of payout as fast as possible. So, like, why would you
Yeah,
not find the person that is pretty much saying, like, hey, and proving if you make any amount of money, like if you show that you're profitable, you make any amount of money, you're guaranteed that payout. There's no chance of somebody basically being like, oh, well, yeah, you close this position out too much, or some arbitrary rule basically knocking you out, right? Like that's the highest
yeah,
EV thing you can do initially. If once you have some more risk on the table, spread out by all means. Like we're not the sort of people that are going to be like, oh yeah, don't try other firms. Like it's your job
yeah,
as a trader to try new tools, try new things, and spread your risk around. You can't even with regulated brokers, anything can happen. We've seen it, right?
yeah, yeah. I think yeah, it'd be interesting to know from traders like what is their biggest hesitation with us, or is it truly that they just don't know about us? Because in terms of our rules, it seems like they are some of the more advantageous
Yeah.
to be able to getting a payout right away and to not feeling like, okay, wow, I can't make a lot today because that would actually hurt me. Like
Right.
that's just such a backwards rule. And there's really not many firms that actually incentivize you to make a lot in a day.